Everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place an image into a tablet mockup. It's a simple technique that can help make your presentations look more professional and realistic. First, I'll create a shape with a 16:9 aspect ratio that matches the screen area of the tablet. After creating the shape, I'll convert it into a smart object. Next, I'll resize the smart object to fit the tablet screen. Then, I'll right-click on the layer and choose Distort. Carefully adjust each corner point so that the shape perfectly aligns with the perspective of the tablet screen. Once the shape is properly positioned, I'll select the area where the hand overlaps the screen. Then, I'll create a mask on the shape layer to ensure that the hand appears naturally in front of the screen, making the mockup look more realistic. After that, I'll open the smart object and place my screenshot or image inside it. Once the image is positioned correctly, I'll save the smart object. As soon as it's saved, the screenshot will automatically appear on the tablet mockup. To improve the realism even further, I'll change the blending mode of the screen layer to screen. This helps the image blend naturally with the tablet display and lighting. Next, I'll go to Filter, then Blur Gallery, and select Tilt Shift Blur. I'll add a subtle blur to the top area of the screen and adjust it carefully. This creates a realistic depth effect and helps the tablet blend naturally into the scene. And that's it. Our tablet mockup now looks much more realistic and professionally presented. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, mockup tutorials, and graphic design content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.